Before its official launch, we've got our hands on the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro, and it's already turning heads with its gamer-focused design and high-performance features. In this early unboxing, we'll take a closer look at its flat-screen layout, bold gaming aesthetics, and that standout swift cooling engine with RGB breathing lights. With a 50-megapixel main camera, 14,000 RPM fan, and dual cooling modes, the K13 Turbo Pro feels like it's built for power and performance. Let's dive into the box, test the fan, and see if this really could be a game changer in its segment. This is our first impressions, and the detailed review drops right after the launch on July 21st. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's dive into the box and see what we... Right away, you can tell OPPO has paid great attention to detail. To help keep the cooling fan dust-free, they've even included a dedicated cleaning brush. Very thoughtful. Next up, we have the phone case. It sports a bold, aggressive design that clearly reflects a strong gaming aesthetic. Now let's check out the active cooling fan itself. 3, 2, 1. Here comes the device. The OPPO K13 Turbo Pro features a flat screen design. Flipping it over, the back panel continues that gamer vibe with eye-catching accents and detailed touches. This phone doesn't just perform like a gaming device, it looks the part too, with sharp, high-energy elements that scream performance and style. Here's a closer look at the cooling fan, and right next to it is one of the main highlights, a 50-megapixel primary camera. Beside that appears to be a 2-megapixel depth sensor, along with an LED flash. Now, if you notice closely, the edges of the cooling fan are accented with a breathing light. This RGB lighting can actually be customized, adding a subtle but stylish touch. The overall design is clean, and the lighting effect gives it a dynamic, colorful vibe. The fan supports 2 performance modes. One is the Smart Variable Speed mode, and the other is Extreme Performance mode. At peak, the fan can spin up to 14,000 RPM, delivering serious cooling power. Let's test it out and get a feel for its performance. You can instantly tell this fan means business. For a phone in this price segment, integrating a dedicated cooling system like this feels like a move in the right direction. This is just our first impressions video, and we'll be uploading a full in-depth review right after the official launch on July 21st. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to catch the detailed breakdown as soon as it drops. The OPPO K13 Turbo Pro features a glass back paired with a durable plastic frame, and it also supports IPX8 rated waterproofing for added protection. Moving to the display, the device sports a 6.79-inch OLED LTPS panel with a crisp 1.5K resolution and an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. It also includes high-frequency PWM dimming for eye comfort during extended use. Under the hood, the K13 Turbo Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, coupled with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The top-end variant offers up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. In terms of benchmarks, it scores around 2 million points on Antutu, and here are the Geekbench 6 single-core and multi-core results for reference. Powering the phone is a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging, while the Pro variant adds bypass charging support for longer gaming or video sessions without heating up the battery. While official pricing is yet to be confirmed, the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro is expected to launch in the UK at around £240. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to the channel for more tech unboxings and reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And for the latest tech news and gadget deals, make sure to follow us on X, formerly Twitter. Stay ahead of the game. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or a more casual tone.